Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to pop the hood on a Cadillac ATS. First, you'll need to locate the primary hood release lever. This lever is usually found on the driver's side, often positioned beneath the dashboard near the door sill. Once you've found it, give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that the primary latch has disengaged. This action will slightly raise the front edge of the hood. Now, move to the front of your Cadillac ATS. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this opening, directly above the grille. You'll be looking for the secondary safety latch. This mechanism is designed to prevent the hood from flying open unexpectedly, so it requires a separate action to fully release it. Once you've located the secondary safety latch, you'll typically need to either push it to the side or lift it upwards. The exact motion can vary slightly, but it's usually a small lever or tab. With a gentle push or lift, the secondary latch will disengage, and the hood will be completely free. You can now lift the hood fully open to access the engine bay. To keep the hood safely open while you work, find the hood prop rod. This rod is usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Extend the prop rod and insert its end into the designated slot, which is typically marked or clearly visible. Make sure the hood is firmly supported by the rod before you begin any maintenance or inspections. This ensures your safety and prevents accidental closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.